In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Node.js on your Windows 11. This is perfect for if you want to start coding with JavaScript or use tools like NPM for your project. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Node.js website, the nodejs.org. Here you will see two different options, the LTS version and the current version. The LTS version is recommended for the most users because it's stable. But if you want the latest features, go for the current version. Click the Windows installer button to download the .msi file. Once the file is downloaded, double click to run the installer. The setup wizard will open, click and next, then accept the license agreement and click next again. Now choose the destination folder where Node.js will be installed. You can leave it as default and then click next. In this step, make sure add to path is checked. This is very important because it allows you to use the Node.js and npm from the command line. You can leave the other options as default, then click next and finally click install. Once the installation is complete, click finish. Node.js is now installed on your Windows 11 system. So let's make sure everything is working. Open your PowerShell or command prompt and type node-v. You should see the Node.js version number. And right now my latest version is 22.18.0 and it's a LTS version. This will show you the npm version installed with Node.js. If both commands shows version numbers, Node.js is installed and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.